Authority have made the decision to send 6 of our ICU patients out to Ontario. This is being done to ensure that they continue to receive the very best possible care available. While the quality of care patients receive in Saskatchewan has been and it continues to be excellent, and that is thanks to our dedicated and professional healthcare workers here in the province. The current level of pressure that our ICU staff requires that a few patients be sent out of the province to relieve some of that current pressure that we have. We will also today be asking for additional resources from the federal government staff that can work in our ICU settings. And while we appreciate any help that the federal government can provide, we are also quite realistic in that this will likely not be a large number of staff, but it will be a very specialized grouping of staff that will be required. I want to take this opportunity to thank the province of Ontario, the government of Ontario, and the people of Ontario for assisting Saskatchewan in our time of need. Just as Saskatchewan has assisted other provinces in the past during their times. It's one of the great things about this country. At this point, COVID continues to be largely a pandemic of the unvaccinated. When vaccination rates go up, COVID rates decrease. And that has started to happen over the course of the past few weeks in Saskatchewan. A lot more people have made the decision to get vaccinated over the course of the past month or so since we announced the new proof of vaccination, or proof of negative test requirement in our businesses, in our public service, and in many workplaces across the province. In fact, over 100,000 vaccines have been delivered in the last month. And so we are starting to see the impact of that on our case numbers. Our 7-day case average, 7-day average of new cases is down about 30% over the course since that announcement was made. The active cases are now about 25% of their peak back in September, and that was just after the proof of vaccination policy was announced, as well as the masking. I think you'll see those numbers continue to drop in the days and weeks ahead. However, we still have too many people who are unvaccinated in the province. And if you look at the regions with the lowest vaccination rates, they also have some of the highest case rates in the province.